Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm here at Grady. After waiting for a year and 2 months, I'm finally gonna be getting my Rocket Bunny. Look at this car, guys. And that's a sick ass R32 with the Nismo wheels. Damn, it looks sick. Right hand drive for sure. Right there. Damn, this is really sick, guys. Look at that. This is their main building here at Irvine. See all the parts right there. So I'll see you guys once I get my parts. Just got my V3 kit. I didn't get to film because look guys, look at how the box is made. It's so big, man. So we had to disassemble everything, take out everything from the box. So we tried to fit in my dad's RAV4. Shout out to my dad for letting me borrow his car. And shout out to my mom for going with me here at Grady, here at Irvine. So right now we're just gonna make this box fit. But if not, we're just gonna leave it here. If I still had the Element, guys, I can fit all of this inside the Element, but now I don't have the Element. I had to use my dad's car, but still okay. I made it fit. I mean, me and my mom made it fit, so it should be good. So yeah, can't wait for this build, guys. Maybe next video is gonna be my BRZ is gonna be wide body, so stay tuned for that video, guys. Guys, I think this is the last time you guys are gonna see this car like this. Because if you guys know, I got my wide body kit from Grady after waiting for a year and 2 months. BRZ 3.0 coming soon, guys. I just made an appointment with LTMW. I'm pretty sure you guys know where LTMW is. They're really famous on wide bodying cars, so I'm gonna be taking my car over there. Like I said, waiting for a year and 2 months. It's not a joke for that kit. It took all the way from Japan. I got the Rocket Bunny V3.5. You guys are just gonna see it when everything is done. But like I said, I think this is probably gonna be the last time you guys gonna see this car like this. And you guys might be wondering why it looks so different from the side, because I actually took out the side splitter. I just wanted to see how it looks without it. I don't think it looks aggressive, guys. Just wanted to see it, you know, before wide bodying this car. Because ever since I got that side splitter, it looks so weird, you know how like it sticks out on the side. Now looking at it, I think with the side splitters, I think it looks better. Comment down below, guys, what you guys think. But I just wanted to see, you know, like before taking everything apart. And these parts are gonna be for sale, so you can DM me on Instagram. My front bumper, the front splitter, the side skirt, and then the side splitters, which I have at home, and the rear splats.
3 days later.
I'm actually on my way to my homie's house with the red BRZ. He said he got some new Brembo brakes. He's on E85. Can't wait to see it. There's the homie right here.
What's up?
He's back. He's done a lot of things to his car already, man. E85. What kind of exhaust do you have right now?
I have a HKS exhaust.
HKS exhaust. Damn.
Oh yeah, this thing just, it sounds amazing.
Dude, the head unit too.
Oh yeah.
Bro, we just saw each other like what, like 2 months ago? Or not even 2 months ago, and then you did a lot of things already, huh?
That's because I got a job now, finally.
Hey, he's got Brembo brakes too. Sheesh, man. I gotta show you guys later.
Oh yeah, definitely. This one has ATS brakes, so it's a whole lot of, it's way different than like the actual like BRZ brakes.
E85.
E85.
Damn, bro. You can smell the corn, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this one is just like, oh yeah, that's another thing. This car also has a Cusco pedal, gas pedal, so that way you can like shift, what's it called, heel toe shift. And dude, this thing just feels amazing.
Dude, I love the exhaust. It's not that loud, huh?
Oh yeah, it's not that loud. I'll do a little launch right here. And dude, she just feels amazing. Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
God damn, bro.
Oh yeah,
Dude, what the? Yo, this thing pulls.
Shift on 3.
Bro, what the? Bro, so you're telling me my BRZ can do the same thing?
Yeah, the same thing. And dude, it sounds amazing, guys.
Dude, you're probably hiding something over here, man. Is it supercharged or turbo, bro?
NA, bro.
NA, you sure?
Oh, NA.
Dude, that pulls, bro.
Yeah, right here it gets way messy. There we go. And it should be the end of it. Yeah, right here. Oh yeah, the
Dude.
brakes feels way better now.
Dude, this guy is gonna do it right here. We're doing illegal shit right now.
We're in Mexico.
Yeah, we're in Mexico.
Ready?
Yeah. God damn, she rips, bro. Damn.
And that was 80.
God damn it, bro.
Oh yeah, that was a lot of wheel spin. And especially she's on slicks.
Yeah.
On semi-slicks, oh my god.
Dude. Now it's gonna make me want to do this to my BRZ.
Dude, I'm telling you, the 85 just makes a whole lot of difference.
Bro, we should try to do a roll race with my BRZ, stock versus this. Let's see how the gap is.
Dude, we gotta see this.
Bro, it's probably like 60 cars gap, bro. Damn.
Bro, dude, I love this car so much, especially 85. Just, oh my god, like I started feeling in love with this car way a lot more. But the 85, it's just, oh, it's so perfect, so perfect. Like, it feels like you're driving a whole different car, whole different car. Jesus.
So just E85, exhaust, what else?
And the intake.
Intake, right?
Yeah.
We got the same intake, engine, short ram.
Oh yeah, engine. Yeah, they were actually pretty good.
So I'm surprised you just did a E85, no headers, right?
No headers. Stock. Just have cats and everything. Dude, she just runs fine.
Damn, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's rubbing, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. But it's stiff in the back right now, so it won't rub as much.
Dude, this car looks like a Tesla from the inside. Look at this, guys. Damn.
And I have my old car on it.
Yeah, you did a lot of things to this car already.
Oh yeah, I did a lot.
Like I said, it's not even like a month,
Yeah, pretty much.
and your car was still stock. You just had some wheels,
Yeah.
and now you got freaking what?
E85.
E85 exhaust. How about coilovers? You had coilovers?
Coilovers.
Yeah.
Coming here. I might go, I'm actually gonna go a stage 2 engine, actually. So I'm gonna push a little more power, but I'm thinking about going NA actually, still. I don't think I'm gonna be boosted. I'm just not too sure because I really want to make this car as track a little bit, like street and track. Not too sure.
If we get a supercharger or a turbo for this car, it's kind of risky, huh?
Yeah. Like especially if they blow up. But that's because this engine is pretty much a high compression engine. And they're not really good. Right here. Let me do a little, what do you call it? 160. Let's see how that one goes. Goes a little bit, but we're already going up.
Damn.
Oh yeah.
A lot of power now, huh?
A lot of power. Well, not a lot, but
I mean, it is a lot, bro. Compared to the stock BRZ, like mine's, bro.
dude, we gotta see. We gotta do a race like that.
Bro, the next time you guys see my BRZ is gonna be different,
Oh
bro.
yeah, the wide body.
Wide body, bro.
Dude, I can't wait for that. Dude, what color are you gonna make it? Or it's still gonna be blue?
So this one is your how you call this? The flash
Oh, yeah.
tablet, right?
The open flash tablet.
That's the one.
Yeah, this one's just rating the AFR right now.
So-
And it shows you all the stuff onto it. RPMs,
Sick.
engine speed, and all that stuff. Oh yeah. But yeah, it shows you intake and everything.
You should get like a holder over here.
I actually had it over here, but I keep having problems over here because it doesn't want to stick onto it because I have Velcro and it doesn't want to stick.
Or you can do like the CD holder for my airlift. I have a CD holder.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah, maybe.
you can have it right here on top.
Yeah, that's true.
Dude, this car feels amazing now. I should have done that to my BRZ, bro. Like, I should have done the first performance before the looks, man.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I kind of went to a different route.
Yeah, like I don't know. I like the looks right now. I just like it how it is right now. Like I just care about performance on this car. Like that's how I grew up with Diego.
Yeah.
He cared about tuning and all that stuff, and he didn't care as the body as much. He just liked it how simple it is, and that's what I'm trying to do on this car. Just simple, and that's pretty much it.
Dude, E85 is the way, huh?
Oh yeah, and you can literally like how quiet it is in this exhaust right now. It sounds stock, huh?
Yeah, it sounds stuck. Once you start stepping on that shit, bro.
Oh yeah, it sounds pretty loud. Yeah, and you hear the rumble and everything.
It kind of sounds like he has some headers already, huh?
Yeah. I freaking love this car now. Dude, I was telling myself like I'm not gonna sell this car anymore. Like when it was stock, I was telling myself I'm just gonna get the Evo. I'm just gonna trade this for an Evo.
But now it's like.
But now it's like it's perfect, dude. But the reason why I really love this car so much is like there's parts everywhere for this car.
Dude, around the world, bro.
Around the world,
yeah.
literally. Like every company made parts for this car.
That's the whole reason why with my Alfa Romeo, like I don't do anything to it because there's not a lot of like parts for it. If it had so many parts like the BRZ is, then I'll be modding the shit out of that car.
Okay. Oh yeah. Are you thinking about doing boosted on yours?
Wait, for my BRZ?
Yeah.
Shit. I don't know, to be honest with you.
Turbo or supercharger?
Right now I'm just focusing on the looks. If you guys don't know, he's my photographer.
Yes, sir.
He's a really good photographer, so you guys should hit him up on Instagram.
Definitely. Oh, did I tell you that I shot with Drew Peacock?
Nah.
You know who that is, right?
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Yeah, I shot with him.
I think I saw it in your... Wait, did you post it on your story?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I seen that one, yeah.
Oh yeah, dude, he's a cool ass guy. Dude, soon we're actually gonna do a photo shoot with his Supra, and I'm gonna have one of my buddies with the R32 GTR.
Yeah.
And then the R33, and then I have my other buddy with the RX-7, the FD, and possibly soon we're gonna do a video shoot. So it's gonna be all cinematic, and we're gonna shoot it in downtown LA. Oh yeah, it's gonna be freaking cool.
Here's my Alpha.
Dude, trust me, E85 will just solve everything on this car.
This is Diego.
There's a slow car.
He's calling you slow.
He's slow.
Dude, it feels so much better, bro, than stock.
Oh yeah.
Dude, it's making me want to do this to my BRZ. You gonna park a little in front of him?
Yeah.
Alright, let me just get out. You want me to get out?
Yeah, go for it.
Just want to show them how it looks.
Oh yeah, you want to show them the brakes?
Yeah, I want to show them the brakes.
Here, I got a light.
Yeah, park it first. Dude, it's so much different.
Oh yeah.
Dude, it's making me want to do it to my BRZ now. But I was telling him like I went with the looks first, then power mods. See, Brembos, guys. I'm not lying to you. This is just not like those fake ones where they just put the little plastic. This is really this is real Brembos.
Yeah, they came from an ATS Performance.
Because they might think it's just those little plastic fake ones from eBay.
I know, I hate those.
Those are real, guys. See?
Actual Brembos. I came from a Cadillac ATS Performance, and
This guy right here, big Cadillac fan.
and the yeah, that's his Cadillac. Yeah.
Still looking sexy, like always.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I was telling you, like the back end, the clear coat. It's actually pretty bad. See? Yeah.
I mean, that's not hard to fix. You can just put like a tape, sand it down, primer.
There's no clear coat on this one. So it's pretty bad.
Oh, you're
so
right.
I have to get the whole thing.
The whole thing repainted, because if you're just gonna do it like just that small piece, it's gotta look bad.
Yeah, like this one right here, like this one, the clear coat is coming off on this one as well. Yeah.
It's not too bad. Like
It's not that bad.
if you look it closely, but what's gonna look
I'm not caring about the outside right now. I just care about performance.
performance.
Stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next style. Throw a rollie with a iced out turnstile. I see where the time's out. Get my burst out. Fucking time's out.